Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to buy LCAI Lightchain AI token crypto coin. So if you also want to buy LCAI, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. So you'll be able to buy the LCAI via its official website. So click on the search bar and type in lightchain.ai. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Lightchain AI. From here, you'll be able to buy the LCAI, but make sure to connect the wallet. Over here, you'll be able to find the wallet icon. If you click on it, you'll be able to connect to the wallet. Right now, I'm connected to the Metamask wallet. Once you connect to the wallet, what you have to do is simply scroll down in this interface. Now from this interface, you'll be able to buy the LCAI. You'll be able to find the current price over here. First of all, what you have to do is enter the amount of Ethereum or USDT that you would like to use in order to buy the LCAI. You'll only be able to find the two payment methods, that is ETH and USDT. So first of all, click on the option of your choice. You can see over here I've selected ETH. Once you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the amount of ETS that you would like to use in order to receive the LCAI. So click on this field. Now enter the amount of ETH over here. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the amount of LCAI that you'll receive. Now after you do that, over here you'll be able to find the option for buy. But if you do not have sufficient balance, you'll be able to find insufficient balance written over here. But if you have sufficient balance, you'll be able to find the option for buy. Simply click on it, follow through the prompts, and after that LCAI will be received on your wallet. So that is how you buy LCAI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.